Hello guys, I am very excited because look at this gorgeous, well, I don't know whether it's gorgeous, it's just a box, but look at this exciting and very intriguing box. Laura so very kindly has ordered me something from Amazon. I don't know what it is. I haven't opened it. She said it was to coincide with the end of my 7 days working with what's on my desk. So I thought I would save the unboxing for doing with you guys. So I've got my scissors here and I'm just going to endeavour to open this. As I say, I don't have a clue what this is or anything else. I'm very excited. Oops, I wasn't quite sure how I was going to actually video this, so just bear with me for a moment. I see some people and they do these videos where they're holding the camera and they're so steady and stable, and it's just like amazing filming. On the like 2 occasions that I've ever done it, my camera is like everywhere, so I do apologise. Oh, what is this? I don't know. I still don't know because there's another box in there. Oh, the mystery continues. Hold on. Oh my gosh, what is this? It's quite heavy. I might have to actually put the iPad down because it's quite heavy and it's sort of slippery. So, well, it's not slippery, you see what I mean, but it's slippery holding it in one hand because it's quite heavy. So I'll flick off and get it out of the box. Right, I have spared you me going around the edges with the scissors. So I've now got it out and I have unstuck it, but I haven't opened it yet. So let's have a look and see what this is. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Thank you so much, Laura. Oh my goodness! This is a non-stick mat. I think it's a non-stick mat. Oh, it's a glass mat. Well, that would explain the weight, obviously. It's a glass mat. Oh, this is so awesome. Oh, I can't wait to go and put this down on my desk. Obviously, I'm downstairs in the kitchen at the moment because I didn't physically have enough desk space to fit this on there. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. Thank you so, so much. I'm feeling truly spoiled. I'm actually now getting out of the second box. So yeah, I shall go and set this up on my desk. So wow, thank you so much, Laura. And I will set it up on my desk and then we'll have a look at the bits that we made. And yeah, thank you so, so much. Oh, exciting. Oh my gosh, guys, look at my new cutting mat. I'm so excited. It looks so lovely. It feels so posh. I don't dare actually use it. I have taken that non-stick mat off because I don't want to ruin it. Yeah, I may have to just cover it with like paper every time I use it because I don't want to spoil it. So I shall have to Google it and kind of see, what I can do on it and what I can't, because I don't want to spoil it. I know I sound very naive, but I've never had one before. So mine was just an old, glass cutting surface. So I don't want to ruin it. But, oh, thank you so much, Laura. I am so thrilled. I absolutely, chuffed to bits. Thank you so much. I can't believe the difference. I can't now see any of that mess that I have made of my desk. Well, the glue and things. I mean, obviously I can see that mess, but, absolutely love it. So thank you so, so, so much. I'm so thrilled and it just fits perfectly. And yeah, I really love it. Thank you so much. Right, have to get over my excitement now. Right, so the pile, that's how it looks now. I mean, I'm not sure really how much better that really looks. To be honest, I know that it has gone down, if that makes sense. Probably to the untrained eye, it doesn't look any better. To me, it feels better. It's slightly more rummaged around because obviously I was digging through things. But there's like sort of space in between, if you see what I mean. And some of the stuff from underneath has been dragged out now. So it definitely is an improvement. Probably could have done with doing 7 years worth of working with that pile, but it was a start. So I thought that we could have a look through all the bits that we did make and just a bit of a recap and see what we did make. Okay, so the items that we did make through that 7 days. So, I mean, you probably, well, I don't know whether people would think this was not much to show for those 7 hours of making or that it was. I don't really know, but we made this little ephemera folder, which I love. It's got a couple of pockets here. It's got a pocket here. So, and it's also got a pocket here. I love how that looks. I love the colours and things, really pretty. So we've got that one there. We've got this envelope here that we made just from some scrapbook paper, decorated up again using just a bunch of stuff that was laying around. So, I mean, you know, all of this has been created just with the odds and ends that were laying around on the desk. So, you know, we didn't grab anything from anywhere else. We literally used the stuff that was laying about. This is that lovely journal that we made, which hopefully you have seen my decoration of the cover now as well. I mean, I love how this looks, to be honest. It really is like such a simple, cute little book, but I just absolutely love how it turned out. It just looks absolutely awesome. I love the closure, and I love the arrangement of all the things inside it. You know, you've got a few very basic tuck spots and things with, you know, a few very basic little pull out tags and what have you in there. But I just absolutely love how that turned out. You know, super simple and just so cute. So I may have to make a few more of these because, you know, I think it's actually really lovely and, yeah, something really fun to do. I mean, obviously, as you know, I did that huge, great big long video, which was huge and long for a video, but we made this whole journal, except for the cover, in that hour and a half. So, you know, it's a really super fast, fun, you know, project, and you can really get rid of quite a bit of clutter. I mean, clearly not enough, obviously, but quite a bit. So yeah, I absolutely love that, how that turned out. So really thrilled with that one. We decorated up this envelope here. Got a little tuck spot in the back to just tuck the flap in, and obviously a whole bunch of stuff on the front. Looks really, really pretty. We've got this envelope here, which again, I just collaged up a whole bunch of stuff here. Again, I love how that turned out. We did this little fold out booklet. Again, it's just got some journaling space on the inside, and then you've got this gorgeous pocket on the front with a couple of little bits in there. So again, I really just think that's so pretty, you know, really, yeah, I love how that turned out. And then we did the napkin decoupage pieces that I'd had laying about on my desk for quite a long time. And we've just made them into now quite useful kind of tuck spots and, you know, little pocket type pieces to pop into a journal. So that's those. Then this one here, again, it was an envelope, and what we did, we stuck down the flap, and then we have made a top loading pocket from there. And then we popped on some of that magazine ephemera and things, and we glossy accented the flowers. Love how that turned out. Then we made some clusters here using the staple method, so that was really good fun, and they turned out lovely. Then we've got this pocket here, again just using some lovely background page, and then decorated it up with flowers and what have you, some lace and some bling. So again, just using a bunch of things that were just laying about on the desk, but it looks really, you know, really pretty. Then we made this, which again, you could use this as a tag if you sort of painted over the back, or, you know, gessoed over the back, or you could obviously use it as a pocket on a page by just kind of gluing it on 3 sides and popping it down like that. I love this one. It's really, really nice. I love this tab piece. And then we made this one, which again, I love the contrast of this black and white ribbon, which we actually inked this up. So it's not like a stark white, but it's actually inked up. But I just love how that looks. So that looks really awesome. Then we had this tag here that I just absolutely love how this turned out. I love this that we used for the tab here, the layering of the kind of flower petals and things, and just using a staple there to hold them. It just looks so pretty. And we talked about painting up around the edge with some gold paint, which would just finish that off just perfectly. And yeah, looks really, really pretty. So I may just finish that off with a bit of gold paint, I think. And it's just really, really lovely. Sorry, that was the phone there. We made this piece here, which was like a little fold out booklet. We've got the belly band here, and we just tucked in that little piece of a vintage sort of not gift card, sorry, it was the front of a like vintage greetings card, and layered up some bits on the front. And I was in two minds whether to ink this up, because I think, if you recall, this scrapbook paper kind of goes a little bit on the orange side when it's inked up with the vintage photo. So that's why this is still in its original colour. But I do like it, you know, in the pretty pink. And then we made a little journaling card that just slotted in there like that. And you could just journal on the back. So again, just a pretty little piece there that you could just pop into your journals. And then we made this piece here, which again, this was an envelope. We just glued down the flap and made it into a top loading pocket. And again, we just layered up some bits on the front. And then we kind of scruffy layered the lace on the bottom, which I really love. Yeah, really nice. So that's that piece. We made a double tag here, so super cute. Love how that looks. It's so pretty. I love those colours. And again, we got rid of a fair few little bits and pieces that had been laying about. We just made this little tiny sort of postage stamp piece here. I love how that looks. It's so pretty. Yeah, I really like it. And I've inked that up with gold, which now I'm wondering when I did that. But anyway, we've done that. And then the final piece that we made this lovely, gorgeous envelope piece here. So again, it's quite a roomy envelope. You could fit lots and lots in there. And we just layered up a lot of different things on here. So we got rid of quite a few things that had been cluttering up the desk for a while. And again, it's just got that string closure that just winds around that, oops, that flower there. But not today, obviously. Not today. Just winds around that flower there. So I love how that looks. And again, that could just be kind of clipped into a journal or just gifted to somebody with some stuff in it. You know, however that you wanted, really. So yeah, we made quite a bit, I think, in the 7 days. And, you know, despite the fact that my pile is still huge, it's gone down quite a bit. So I hope that you like everything that we made. Again, I would love, love, love to see your before and after pictures, maybe of your desk, you know, or the collection of the things that you made during the 7 days or something, you know, any of those things. So, yeah, I hope that you enjoyed the series. I thought it was really good fun, and who knows, maybe we'll have a few more of them, because certainly I could do many 7 days worth of working on my desk. And thank you again, Laura, for my mat. I absolutely love it. So yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, In.